Yo guys, and welcome back into a new video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to animate photos or pictures using Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the follow button, leave a like and drop a comment. So let's begin. So now you will be needing just to start a project by clicking on this plus sign. And this will allow you to start a new project where you can choose your footage. So we will need just to simply select a picture so we can start animate it. So here we will be needing to simply use some AI tools so we can add some animation to our uh, videos or to our pictures. And from here you will find like in the menu or in this tab here you will find sound effects, cutouts, etc. We are not interested in that. You will need just to simply click on the picture, and after that you will go to effects. So here in the effects, you will need just to search to the one for animating. So as you can see, I have just chosen this video and it will start animating automatically my video. Also, if we go to filter, you can start adding some filter on top of your animation. So let's just choose some filter here and click on OK. We go to effect and you can choose any kind of effects. And as you can see, it doesn't affect all the image. It will just choose the subjects of the image or the elements that you want. So it will automatically start choosing the ones that you will need or the subjects that is needed to be animated. So after that, or after choosing your animation, so I'm just going to choose this one. You click on export, and after that, you will have your video that will be, or your project that will be exported, and you can share it into Facebook or Instagram. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.